What's up YouTube, a Bowman Suite here, come back with another video break of Gridiron Gear football. I believe there's 18 packs. This box, looking for at least 3 hits. Just gonna throw them all out and set them all on the table here. Alright, here we go. Pack number 1. I'm going to have a decoy in here. Just base, got an insert card. Toss that decoy on the floor. Insert card of Cliff Harris. That's numbered 51 of 250. Maybe for the Cowboys. Cliff Harris insert. We'll raise the camera up just a tad. There we go. Pack number 2. Base, decoy, got an O insert, one of the O's, of Vernon Davis, number 36 of 250. Vernon Davis. Move my light over so you can see the cards a little bit better. Pack number 3. Alright, base, decoy. Got an insert card, the rest is base. Insert card of Derek Mason, player timeline. Titans Ravens, numbered 60 of 500. Nothing special. Base, decoy. That's kind of cool. Too bad I wasn't a better player. Got a Fred Davis rookie, X's. Rookie card of Fred Davis for the Redskins, number 20 of 25. Too bad that wasn't like a Matt Ryan or something. So that'd be for the Redskins. Or 20 of 25 rookie. Base, decoy. Base, and base. Whoa, this pack feels super thick. Let's save that one. I'll wait a couple more. The pack feels super thick. Base, all base. Yeah, that pack feels double thick than all the other packs for some reason. Base, decoy. Got a rookie card of Paul Smith for the Jags, number to 999. We'll save that thick pack for a couple more rounds. Base, decoy. All base. Got a player timeline again of Plexico Burris, Steelers, Giants. Plexico Shoot Myself in the Foot Burris, number 26 of 100. Grape Laffy Taffy is the best. I think anyway, in my opinion. Base, decoy. Still looking for our hits. We have not pulled one hit yet. And we have 2, 4, I don't know. We got like 9 packs left. Banana. Oh, God, dude. Banana's no good. Base, decoy. Got a Jared Mayo rookie card. Number to 999, Jared Mayo. This, I can tell you right now, definitely is not a hot box. Unless we pull hits out of every pack after this. Alright, got a hit in here. We'll go slow. Got our first hit. Base, something good. Not bad. It's going to have a little bit of stitching on the bottom. Number 53 of 100, patch card, X-patch card of Larry Fitzgerald for the Arizona, oh no, Anquan Bolden, I'm sorry, I said Larry Fitzgerald. Anquan Bolden patch, one color. numbered 51 of 100. There's a little bit of stitching on the very bottom. That'll be for the Cardinals. Base, decoy. Got an X's card of Larry Johnson. I think that's going to be numbered to 100. Nope. Even worse, 250. Or 132 of 250. X card of Larry Johnson. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Okay, refresh. I have not touched anything since we left. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Everybody can hear me? I haven't touched anything. Everybody can see everybody good? Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 6 packs left and still got the fat, thick pack. Still looking for 2 more hits. I actually kept the recording going the whole time so you guys know I didn't break anything while you guys were gone. Base, decoy. Got a playbook insert of Tony Romo, numbered to 500. Tony Romo playbook insert, numbered to 500. My webcam, sorry, my webcam took a dump on me for a second there. Have to go fast. I'm running a little low on time. Set me back like a minute. Base, decoy, base. Got a base, decoy. I actually got shorted a card out of that pack. Only got 4 cards out of that pack and a decoy. Still looking for 2 more hits, so we better have them all. 3 more packs left. We got another hit in here. It's pretty thick. Go slow. Ooh, it's something nice, you guys. Oh, sick as shit. Check that out. Very fucking nice. Little tiny smear, but numbered 4 of 50. Patch autograph, 2-color patch, logo patch, actually letter patch I should say. Joe Flacco. Check that shit out. Sick. Nasty. Very nasty. Alright, we're going to go with this thick pack now because I've only got less than a minute left. So this pack is super thick and it is a hit in here. Let's go slow. Definitely not a good hit. It's a patch, but real thick ass card of Fred Dreyer, numbered 44 of 50 for the Rams. Just a 1-color patch. That's what that thick pack was. Last pack. I got a rookie card of Jamar Adams. Alright, so that's a bum in a suit. Out.